In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency of your Shopify store. We'll cover both how to adjust the currency that your products are priced in and how you can set different currencies for different markets so your customers see prices in their local currency. Let's dive right in. To start with, let's explore how to change the base currency of your Shopify store. This is the currency that you use in the admin settings for setting your product prices, among other things. So what you need to do first is log into your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. From there, you'll want to select General. Now, within the General settings, scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Store Defaults. Here, you should see an option related to currency, which might be displayed as Currency Display or Store Currency. The next step is to initiate the change. Click on the three dots, sometimes represented as an ellipse, or an option that explicitly says Change Store Currency. This will open up a drop-down list of available currencies. From this list, you can select the new currency that you wish to use for your store. Once you've made your selection, remember to click Save. Saving your changes is crucial, as it ensures that the new settings are properly applied and take effect. Now, let's move on to the next part, which involves setting the currency for a specific market. This is particularly useful if you operate in multiple countries or regions and wish to cater to your customers by displaying prices in their local currency. For this, you need to once again log into your Shopify admin. Head over to Settings, but this time, go to the Markets tab. Here, you'll see a list of markets that you're operating in. Identify the specific market you want to customize and click on it. Within the market settings, you should see a section labeled Products and Pricing. Look for an option related to currency setting. This is where you can choose to change the currency for that particular market. Depending on your preferences and requirements, you can either opt for automatic exchange rates or manually set the pricing in the chosen currency. This flexibility allows you to manage prices in a way that best fits your business strategy and customer expectations. After making your changes in this section, don't forget to click Save. This action ensures that your currency settings for this particular market are updated and active. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be able to manage the currency settings for your Shopify store and adapt them to suit different international markets. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!